cautious, careful, thorough.
Opportunities and a lot of great things that'll help us.
They have professional attitudes.
Baker Group's been integral in the whole expansion process for us, from design to weld to fits to the end process of helping us run the system. They've been a good help for us and a great resource.
We took the scanner and we brought it to site. We scanned the entire facility, day one. We showed REG what they had, but then we started dropping in those model pieces of equipment and started modeling piping and showing the access. The customer all of a sudden got the idea, wow, this is really powerful.
We'll have to be able to see that on the computer and see what's going on and talk to it day to day, really help the project flow. We know exactly what that pipe is, where it's supposed to be, what it's supposed to be doing, and then how to run it. So both from my side as a training and from the engineering side of getting it accomplished and getting it done, they've been a great resource for us.
It was very important to keep the plant online. Just like all industrial customers, it's about keeping the product going.
We had to run and operate an 18 million gallon plant while they were trying to help us build a 30 million gallon plant. So with having Baker's fab shop and pre-built items, we were able to cut a piece of pipe and continue to run with a blank in while they prefabbed and did a lot of things offsite that helped us just wheel in, bolt up, and be ready to go.
Start putting pumps and pump assemblies and heat exchangers and all their assemblies and all the piping associated with them together in our fabrication shop, ship them in as large chunks and set them in place. We're doing up to 95% of the welds total throughout a project in Ankeny and shipping it to site. It's really powerful, and it minimized the amount of time that the customer had to be offline.
REG is a safety company that just happens to make biodiesel. It seems like Baker follows just in line with that, and that's what we truly need here at this plant. We almost hit 500,000 man hours alone and 0 recordable injuries. Something like that is unheard of in the industry.
We had 0 recordables, which is a huge thing to Baker Group. Safety is number one. Also REG, it's their priority as well.
Baker Group's been a good resource as we continue to work through inspections and vessels and going inside and confined space.
We want to make the projects efficient, we want to make the projects cost effective, and ultimately we want them to be happy with the product in the long run.
So between our engineering group and Baker's engineering group, we've been able to come up with a lot of great opportunities and a lot of great things that'll help us withstand the test of time as this plant continues to grow.